Hi, today I will be explaining the Mcdonald menu project for Algebra 2. And so what I first did was I went on spreadsheet and labeled and found a bunch of McDonald's sandwiches that I found on their menu. So I went and wrote them down in column A. Then I wrote down the protein and calories for both of them, one in column A and another in column B. So then I made a scatter plot, and this was the scatter plot. After finding all this information, I went back and made a slideshow, which I am going to show right now. There you go. So this was the scatter plot, obviously, and it was the same one that was on the Google Sheets. Then I went and found the direction, the form, and the strengths of the relationship. So the direction is positive because when the calories increased, the proteins also increased. This showed that the correlation increased as we went from left to right. The form is linear with a correlation of R equals 0.90. The strength of the relationship is moderately strong, meaning that the points are close together. Next, I went and found the correlation of R. The value of correlation R is a measure of the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two quantitative variables. So the R value of the scatter plot was 0.90 as found earlier, and that was approximately 90% of variation on the response variable, which is explained or caused by the independent variables, or just in general by the data. The least regression line was found, which is just using my y equals mx plus b formula. The slope of the least regression line is 9.612 that I got from, obviously, the equation y equals mx plus b, same as for the y-intercept, and then the residuals of the largest x value was 51. Next, in conclusion, the correlation between proteins and calories are positively correlated with a strong correlation, meaning that when the calories increased, so did the number of proteins. The correlation was strong because the R value is under 1 but above 0.5, causing the correlation to be moderately strong. The scatter plot also suggests that the regression line is y equals 9.612x plus 206.4, which indicates that most points fall close to this particular line. And here's the scatter plot again, which you can see here, and there you go.